Life can feel overwhelming sometimes, always chasing big goals, big dreams, and big moments. But recently, I've realized something: the little things we often overlook hold so much happiness. Hey, people, you're watching Growupwithbk, and this is me, Bharat. Okay, let us start this from my morning. Just take this cup of coffee. But now I pause to smell the aroma and feel the warmth in my hands. And also, I enjoy every sip of the coffee. It likes a tiny ritual, but it reminds me to slow down and breathe. I started noticing the nature more. The way sunlight paints my room in the morning, or how the sound of the rain feels like a song. And it's amazing how something ordinary can feel the magical when you pay attention. Happiness hides in the random moments too, like a funny text message from a friend, or random relatable meme, or a hug from someone you truly love, or biting into your favorite snacks. These small things like a tiny burst of happiness in an otherwise ordinary day. I also found happiness in creating, whether it's writing my thoughts, creating scripts, and making videos and developing my skills and enhancing myself. It doesn't have to be perfect. It acts as doing something that lights me up. And then that's a gratitude. Every night I write down small 3 things that made me happy that day. It may like a smile from a stranger, or the comfort of my bed, or just finishing my task. Gratitude taught me the small happiness are everywhere. You just have to look out for them. If you are feeling stuck or overwhelmed, try this. Just pause and look around. You don't need something big to make you happy. Sometimes you can find your own happiness in smallest of the things. When you start noticing them, life feels more lighter.